And what a beautiful black 233 Classic formula this is, with a black frame windscreen, biminis and front and side clears, and white stickers. Just pops. What can I say? It is truly amazing and it looks beautiful. If you ever see it at a ramp or in the water, go up close to it and have a look and you'll be amazed. So Richard came and visited the factory a couple of times, had a look around, showed him through the factory, didn't commit to anything. There was no push and shove in any direction. He comes down, a few days later and says, I want one of your boats. I remember him telling me a story about sitting, I think sitting on the bluff somewhere and seeing a formula coming in. I think it was at Bermagui actually, and just couldn't believe how the boat performed. And he said, one day I'm going to own one, and here he is today. He's got one. With a Simrad NSS 16, we've got a VHF radio and a compass. It's a pretty standard layout, but let me tell you, it works really well. And basically that's all you need for local and a bit of offshore fishing, which is where Richard is going to be primarily using this boat. Special feature with this boat, and something that I recommend these days, is the larger fuel tank, the 420 litre fuel tank. That'll give you plenty of range and give Richard a lot of range to launch at Queenscliff and go down as far as Apollo Bay and back. Once again, we've got Mercury's twin 3.4 litre V6 Mercury's. These are the 200 version. There's not a great deal of difference between the 200s and 225s. We've got really good fuel figures, really good speed figures. Yeah, so at 3,500 RPM, we're getting that 51, 52 kilometres cruise speed, which we're seeing across the board with these engines, whether it's on a 6 metre or 565 or a twin rig on a formula like this one. With this boat in particular, with the twin 200s, we ended up getting 84.5 kilometres at 5,800 RPM, and that's with a filled tank of 420 litres. Very impressive. I just want to say a big congratulations to Richard and Merry Christmas. You're going to have a fantastic Christmas with your family and your mates. I'm sure they're all going to enjoy the experience with this boat.